Let's simplify this expression 2x minus x. As you can see, we have positive variable and negative variable. In addition, we are subtracting a negative variable from this expression. Let's see how this simplifies to. To begin with, start with the 2x. We use the blue pawn to represent the 2x. Now, as you can see, we need to subtract a negative x. We do not have a negative x in this place. So it's not easy to remove something that we don't have. So in this case, we are going to use the idea of zero pair. The zero pair states that negative 5 plus 5 equals to a 0. The same applies for a negative x plus x equals a 0. So we are going to use the concept of zero pair. Without changing the value of 2x, I can bring in a zero pair. So let's bring in a zero pair. The zero pair does not change the value of the 2x that we just set up. So now, as you can see, we have the 2x and we need to remove a negative x. Now it's easy to remove the negative x which is here. So let's go ahead and remove the negative x off the mat. As you can see, this expression now changed to 2x plus x. That is why you see the 2 negative changes to a positive. So 2x plus x is nothing but 3x. So the entire expression had now changed to 2x minus x to be as 3x. Let's try this example, 3x minus negative 2x. Let's start with the 3x. As you see, we need to subtract a negative 2x. We don't see a negative 2x on this mat. So it's not easy to remove something that we don't have yet. Let's use the idea of the zero pair. As you can see, the blue pawn and the white pawn technically is 0. Let's bring in another zero pair into this mixture. Bringing the zero pair does not change the value of the 3x. Let's go back into the expression. We have 3x, which is this, and we need to subtract a negative 2x. Now we can subtract the negative 2x by removing them off the mat. This now changed to 3x plus 2x. Once again, you see the 2 negatives changes to a positive. So 3x plus 2x is nothing but 5x. So the expression 3x minus negative 2x is simplified to be as 5x.